This chapter provides an overview of the organizational structure, duties, and investigative powers of the police within the Indian criminal justice system. It details the administrative hierarchy from the state level down to the police station, classifies different types of offences, and outlines the legal procedures for investigation, search and seizure, and arrest. Role and governance. Police are a state subject under Article 246 of the Constitution, meaning each state frames its own rules. Their primary functions include crime detection, investigation, and maintaining public peace. Hierarchy, led by the Director General of Police, DGP, at the state level. The district is headed by a Superintendent of Police, SP, and the basic unit of administration is the police station. Specialized units includes the Criminal Investigation Division, CID, for inter-district/state crimes, and the Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI, for federal matters like corruption and fraud. Legal procedures. Investigation typically begins with the First Information Report, FIR, for cognizable offences. The police have specific powers and restrictions regarding searching premises and arresting individuals to protect fundamental rights. 1. Recommendations in Prakash Singh's case. The Supreme Court directed the following to ensure police autonomy and accountability. State Security Commission. Each state must set up this apex body, including government, police, and non-government members, to lay down broad policies and evaluate police performance. Police Complaints Authority, established at the district level, headed by a retired district judge, and state level, headed by a retired High/Supreme Court judge, to investigate serious police misconduct, such as custodial torture, rape, or death. 2. Procedure for non-registration of FIR. If a police officer refuses to register an FIR for a cognizable offence, the Superintendent of Police, SP, the informant can send the information in writing to the SP, or Assistant Commissioner in cities. Magistrate. The informant may approach a magistrate under Section 156(3) of the SAPC to request a direction for the police to investigate. Court mandate. Lalita Kumari v. Government of U.P. The police must comply with a magistrate's direction to register a case within 24 hours. 3. Steps in the investigation of a crime. Investigation involves these primary stages proceeding to the spot where the offence occurred. Ascertaining facts and circumstances of the case. Discovery and arrest of the suspected offender. Collection of evidence, including examining witnesses, recording statements, and conducting searches/seizures. Formation of opinion on whether there is a fit case for trial and filing a charge sheet if necessary. 4. What is a Panchnama? A Panchnama is a document prepared by the police during a search of a person or premises. It consists of a list of all items seized, prepared in the presence of at least 2 independent and respectable local witnesses known as Panchash, who must sign the document. 1. Administrative structure of the police. The hierarchy follows a vertical alignment. State level, Director General of Police, DGP. Zone, Inspector General of Police, IGP. Range, Deputy Inspector General, DIG. District, Superintendent of Police, SP, or Senior SP. Subdivision, Assistant/Deputy SP. Police Station, Inspector or Sub-Inspector, SHO. Lower Staff, Assistant Sub-Inspectors, Head Constables, and Constables. 2. Problems of Police in India. The document identifies several systemic issues. Political control, lack of autonomy due to governmental stranglehold and political interference in transfers and postings. Service conditions, abysmal working conditions and the lack of a right to organize for better terms. Corruption, power to arrest is cited as a major source of corruption, with an estimated 43.2% of arrests being unjustified. Demoralization, whimsical transfers of senior officers, sometimes within months, affect the stability of the force. 3. Lalita Kumari's case, Facts and Law Principle. The Supreme Court emphasized that police have a mandatory duty to register an FIR upon receiving information disclosing a cognizable offense. Operational fact. A complainant can petition a magistrate for a direction to register the case immediately. The police must comply within 24 hours or face contempt of court and departmental proceedings. 4. What is a charge sheet? A charge sheet, or police report, is a formal document filed by the police under Section 170 of the CPC when investigation reveals sufficient evidence for a trial. It includes names of parties and witnesses, nature of the information and the offense committed, details of the accused's arrest or release on bond, supporting documents like the FIR, witness statements, and medical/forensic reports.